Here are 31 MCQs based on Unit V, American Literature, PGTRB English Syllabus. Checkmark Poetry Section MCQs. Who wrote Out of the Cradle Endlessly Rocking? A. Emerson. B. Whitman. C. Frost. D. Bradstreet. Answer. B. Whitman. Out of the Cradle Endlessly Rocking reflects what theme? A. Nature's indifference. B. Childhood trauma. C. Awakening of the poet. D. Racial struggle. Answer. C. Awakening of the poet. Which poet was part of the Transcendentalist movement? A. Robert Frost. B. A. Cummings. C. Emerson. D. Maya Angelou. Answer. C. Emerson. Brahma by Emerson is written in a blank verse. B. Ballad form. C. Quatrains with regular rhyme. D. Free verse. Answer. C. Quatrains with regular rhyme. Which poem begins with, When I Heard the Learned Astronomer? A. The Cambridge Ladies. B. Prologue. C. Out of the Cradle. D. None of these. Answer. D. None of these. It's another poem by Whitman. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings primarily deals with a. War. B. Gender issues. C. Slavery and racial injustice. D. Loss of innocence. Answer. C. Slavery and racial injustice. A. Cummings' poetry style is best known for a. Rhyming couplets. B. Sonnet structure. C. Experimental grammar and form. D. Haiku. Answer. C. Experimental grammar and form. Who is the author of The Anti-Suffragists? A. Dunbar. B. Gilman. C. Bradstreet. D. Cummings. Answer. B. Gilman. Paul Laurence Dunbar's poem The Sparrow represents a. Industrialization. B. Beauty of nature. C. Urban life. D. Inner struggle and racial issues. Answer. D. Inner struggle and racial issues. The line, I dwell in possibility, is by a. Whitman. B. Frost. C. Dickinson. D. Not listed in syllabus. Answer. D. Not listed in syllabus. Checkmark Prose and Fiction MCQs. Where I lived, and what I lived for, advocates. A. Urbanization. B. Self-reliance and simplicity. C. Civil disobedience. D. Industrial growth. Answer. B. Self-reliance and simplicity. The American Scholar was a speech delivered at a. Yale. B. Harvard. C. Columbia. D. Princeton. Answer. B. Harvard. William Faulkner received the Nobel Prize for a. The Sound and the Fury. B. As I Lay Dying. C. His overall contribution to literature. D. A Rose for Emily. Answer. C. His overall contribution to literature. Toni Morrison's Beloved focuses on a. Civil War battles. B. Post-slavery trauma. C. Migration. D. Gender identity. Answer. B. Post-slavery trauma. The past was like a dream. This line echoes in which novel? A. The Namesake. B. Beloved. C. Nobel Prize acceptance speech. D. The American Scholar. Answer. B. Beloved. Jhumpa Lahiri's The Namesake explores a. Second World War. B. Immigrant identity crisis. C. Romanticism. D. Naturalism. Answer. B. Immigrant identity crisis. Who said, the writer's duty is to lift up man's heart? A. R. W. Emerson. B. William Faulkner. C. Arthur Miller. D. Thoreau. Answer. B. William Faulkner. The protagonist of The Namesake is named after a. Shakespeare. B. Gogol. C. Gandhi. D. Gibran. Answer. B. Gogol. Checkmark Drama MCQs. The Death of a Salesman explores the theme of a. American Dream. B. Slavery. C. War. D. Religion. Answer. A. American Dream. Arthur Miller's The Death of a Salesman's central character is a. Tom. B. Willy Loman. C. Biff. D. Stanley. Answer. B. Willy Loman. Eugene O'Neill's Emperor Jones is a. Farce. B. Tragedy. C. Expressionist drama. D. History play. Answer. C. Expressionist drama. Who wrote A Streetcar Named Desire? A. Faulkner. B. Tennessee Williams. C. Arthur Miller. D. Emerson. Answer. B. Tennessee Williams. Blanche Dubois is a character from A Death of a Salesman. B. Emperor Jones. C. A Streetcar Named Desire. D. The Namesake. Answer. C. A Streetcar Named Desire. Which character says, I have always depended on the kindness of strangers? A. Willie. B. Blanche. C. Sate. D. Gogol. Answer. B. Blanche. Theme of Emperor Jones is A. Racial power and downfall. B. Capitalism. C. Rebellion. D. American politics. Answer. A. Racial power and downfall. Checkmark. Author life, background. MCQs. Walt Whitman is considered the father of A. American fiction. B. Free verse. C. Haiku. D. Modernism. Answer. B. Free verse. Which poet was also a suffragist and social reformer? A. Annie Bradstreet. B. Maya Angelou. C. Charlotte Perkins Gilman. D. A. Cummings. Answer. C. Charlotte Perkins Gilman. Toni Morrison was the first African American woman to A. Win the Booker Prize. B. Win the Pulitzer Prize. C. Win the Nobel Prize in Literature. D. Join Yale University. Answer. C. Win the Nobel Prize in Literature. Jhumpa Lahiri won the Pulitzer Prize for A. Interpreter of Maladies. B. The Namesake. C. Unaccustomed Earth. D. The Lowland. Answer. A. Interpreter of Maladies. Emerson was A. Poet and essayist. B. Novelist. C. Journalist. D. Naturalist only. Answer. A. Poet and essayist. First line of Out of the Cradle Endlessly Rocking. A. Out of the cradle endlessly rocking, out of the mockingbird's throat. B. When lilacs last. C. I celebrate myself. D. Because I could not stop for death. Quote. Answer. A. Out of the cradle endlessly rocking, out of the mockingbird's throat. Quote.